Hi everyone, in today's video we will solve question number 2 of exercise 1.1 and in the end of the video I will share one bonus tip. So we have to find out LCM and HCF of given numbers and we have to verify product of LCM and HCF is equals to product of given numbers. So let us solve first. So 26, first we will find prime factors. So 26 is a even number, so we can divide it by 2. So 13 and 13 is a prime number. And for 91, 2 is not even, so we cannot divide it by 2. When we do sum of the digits 9 plus 1, 10, we get 10, so we cannot divide it by 3. Then 5, unit digit is 1, so we cannot divide it by 5. So 7. Next number is 7. So we already know 13 sevens are 91. So it will go by 13 and 13 is a prime number. So prime factors of 26 is equals to 2 into 13 and prime factors of 91 is equals to 7 into 13. HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So what is common in both numbers? 13. And LCM, common number and rest all numbers. So 2 into 7. So when we will multiply, we will get 182. Now we have to verify. So LCM into HCF. So LCM is 182 and HCF is 13. When we do multiply, we get 2366. Now product of first number and second number. So first number into second number. First number is 26 and second number is 91. Then again it will come 2366. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So verified. Now next 510 and 92. 510 is again even number, so we can divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, then 5, then again 5. Now if we do sum, then it will come 12. Then we can divide it by 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 5s are 15. Now unit digit is 5. So it will go by 5. 17 is a prime number. Now let us do for 92. Then again it is even number. Then again even. And 23 is a prime number. So prime factors of 510 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. And for 92, 2 into 2 into 23. Now, how to find HCF? Highest common factor. So, highest common factor is only 2. And then LCM, lowest common multiple. So, first, common number 2 and rest all numbers. 3 into 5 into 17 into 2 into 23. Then it will come 23,460. Now, you have to find product of HCF and LCM. So 2 into 23,460. Then it will come 46,920. I am not showing you calculations, otherwise video will go long. You have to do in the rough, okay? Now product of given numbers. So product 510 into 92. Then it will again come 46,920. So LCM into HCF is equals to product of first number and second number. So verified. Now next is 336 and 54. So this is even, then it will go by 2. Then again by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Then again 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Then again by 2. 21 we know, 3 7s are 21 and 7 is a prime number. Now for 54, this is again even, then 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 is a even number. So prime factors of 336, 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2 into 3 into 7. And for 54, prime factors is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times 3. So HCF is equals to common number, so 2 and here 3. So 2 into 3 is equals to 6. LCM is equals to 2 into 3 into all numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 because we have taken 3 number, and then 3 into 3, these two numbers. Then it will come 3024. So you have HCF and LCM. So let's do multiplication. 6 into 3024 is equals to 18,144, and product of given numbers, product of 336 and 54 is equals to 5. So you can see LCM into HCF is equals to product of 336 and 54. Verified. So what we have understood from these questions? So we have understood if you know any two numbers, then you can find LCM and HCF. But if you know LCM or HCF of given two numbers, and you have to given just first number, then you have to find second number, then you can easily find. How? Like you can do like second number is equals to LCM into HCF and divide by first number. So this was your bonus tip. Okay, so it will be easy to find any number. Okay, so that's all for today.